Oh, we've got our tenons in. We got them cut down to about a ½ inch deep, and we got to cut a shoulder in them yet. But it's January and it's cold out here. I got to take a break and get warmed up. Oh, it's been a couple of weeks. Not for you, but for me. Got distracted. So we're still cutting these tenons, and I'm going to cut the shoulders off here. And I'm just going to take about 1/8 of an inch off each side. So now that we have our tenons cut, as you recall, we left our side pieces long, and there's the mark right there. So I'm going to stick my knife right in that knife wall, bring that up, and then mark the length of my tenon, or actually my mortice. Now, when we chop our mortice with a chisel, we have less chance of blowing this end out because we've got the extra wood on there. And mark the width of it. The same setting as we did with our tenon, and from the same side that we're using as a reference. Of course, right now is an excellent time to mark out which one goes where. Letters, numbers, whatever symbol you want. We set our marking gauge to the width of our chisel. Now, I don't own a mortising chisel, which would be handy but not necessary. We'll just start away from our line with the bevel toward us, and we'll give it a small tap. That might have even been a little bit much of a tap. And we'll move. Just about a 32nd, 16th at a time. When you're shaking because of the cold, it takes a little bit longer. You see, we're getting quite the depth already. And we'll just keep working toward the bevel side. Just clear that chip out of there. We're not to our depth yet. Every one goes a little bit deeper. Don't put too much prying action on it, not like a mortise chisel. But you see, if you're going this way, which we will eventually, and we pried, that little space would have a habit of busting out. With the extra wood on there, it helps support it. To there, and we're at depth already. I'm going to stay shy of the line to start with. Now we can flip the bevel away from us. Start paring out that little wee bit. Right in our knife line. This is B. And this is B. We're awfully close. We're a little narrow on this side. And we're nice, pretty flush right there. That's exactly what we want. Okay, 3 more to do, just like that. Well, it certainly looks like a face frame to me. Dang close, too. That's the worst one. A little bit of pressure from the clamps. They all came together quite nicely. Ready for glue. I'm going to go into my cutoff bucket and grab a nice little thin strip that I've got cut off the edge of a board at one time. And I've got 2 of them in case I need it. And I can stick one in that corner there. And one in that corner there. And hold it. And that is a little tiny bit longer, but not too bad for square. Not too bad at all. It just kind of falls in there naturally. I got maybe, an 1/8 of an inch there maybe. So when I glue it up, I'll take the long section and put a clamp diagonally across it until the 2 diagonals are equal, and that will make sure it's square. We've got to get some heat in here so it's warm enough to glue. I think we're ready. Always a little bit of a frantic time, so if I could have the audience be a little quiet while I do this so I can concentrate, that would be great. Excellent. It moved almost perfectly square. I'm going to leave it for about an hour. Then I'm going to unclamp it and bring it into the house overnight to let it cure.